Hello Mousers! Today what I want to talk about is something that annoys me and a lot of other people who've studied law. It's the misuse of the word illegal. Okay, everyone knows that illegal is something that is against the law, yes? Good. Let's hope that they do anyway, because if you didn't, now you do. But here's the thing, illegal is only used in certain circumstances. Not everything that is technically against the law is illegal. So, what am I talking about here? Well, we'll have a look at crime. Crime is where you've got a law that says that you can't do this and it is punishable by X, Y, and Z. And most of the time that's fines, imprisonment, cautions, things like that. Those things are illegal. Basically, any time that you can go to court and if you're found to have broken the law, you are found guilty, that's illegal. Okay? But not all the situations where you go to court and you're found to have broken the law result in a guilty plea. I mean, I'm not talking here about people that are found innocent or anything like that. What I'm talking about is civil cases. Because we've had the criminal cases. You're found guilty, you go to prison, you're found innocent, you walk free. Civil cases are different. Civil cases are when another person, rather than the state or the police or the prosecutor or anyone like that, brings a case against you. And in those situations, a person goes in and says, right, this person has contravened X, Y, and Z, and I'd like a ruling against them. And if you present enough evidence and the judge says, yes, that's actually happened, then they are found liable, which is very different to guilty, because civil cases don't result in state sanctions. They result in, for example, having to do what you said you were going to do in a contract, or pay a certain amount in restitution, or you get an injunction against you. In those situations, a person is not necessarily illegal. They have gone against the terms of the law, they've broken contracts, they've harassed, they've done X, Y, and Z, but it's not a criminal offence. And in those cases, it's not illegal. So when I see people talking on YouTube, for example, about someone breaching the terms and conditions of YouTube and how it's illegal and things like that, it really annoys me. They're not illegal. It's a breach of contract, but that's not the same thing as being a criminal case. If you're liable in a civil case, that's very different. So don't say that breaching the YouTube contract is illegal. Or if you're doing something that's contrary to your employment contract, it's illegal to do. Because it's not. It might be something that's immoral. It might be something that is very, very wrong, but not quite immoral. But it's certainly not illegal. So please, illegality is something that is contrary to the law and could suffer criminal penalties. For everything else, it's just liability. Okay, that's all I've got time for today, because it is a very nice day and I didn't want to push this too much, because I think the less said the better. Get straight to the point. So thank you very much for watching. If you did like this, remember to click the like button, share it with your friends so that they can see the difference between illegal and just not right. And do subscribe for future videos, because there will be more in the future. But until next time, I've been Kirk-Robinson, you've been watching The Odd Mouse Show, and I'll see you on Monday.